let me show you today these pretty cool heat shrinkable connectors. This is a 270 pieces. And you got back connectors, ring, all kind of rings, film and quick disconnector, male, fork termination, hook terminations, and more. How we doing, everyone? This is Dario from Mediaboxentlive Black Chain Half Fork, and today what we got these pretty cool 270 pieces. I mean, if you're like me, you work in a lot of projects do it yourself, you want to do a repair in your car, and you want to do a lot of connections. Well, we need some time a quick disconnector, ring connector. So here we get rings, we get 1/4 inch, and we get red ones, yellows, and I'll tell you what it means. The red ones will be for you gauge wire, 18 to 24 gauges. And remember, the lower number is the highest wire gauge. Higher the number gets, it's a smaller wire. Your blue one will be good for all the way from like 14 or 16 to 14 gauge wire. 14 is much bigger. 14 mostly whether you're going to be using your house for 15 amp wire connection. And then for your 12 gauge wire, that will be your 20 gauge you use in the house, and that's good for 10 and 12 gauge, the yellow one. Now what I like about this one is this is a heat shrinkable. So this will be cool, like I said, for your car. You need a space, you need like to make a quick disconnect, or you want to use a plug connection. You want 2 wires. Once it gets out, you want to put 2 wires together. You put it over here and you crimp it. We have different. This is a quick disconnect. We get the female, and here we get the male. So this is nice too. So yeah, it's a lot of for work, and then you get rings. Let's say for you hooked up your ground, you get space, and you get the now for 10 gauge or 12 gauge wire. So let's try one. So we're gonna crimp. Let's crimp a quick disconnect. I put it right in my. Always make sure you are on the right. Normally, a lot of the tools will give you the right. It has a red color, yellow color, and we're gonna put my wire in, and we're gonna crimp it. Make sure we are okay. Let's crimp the wire. Let's use a heat gun, and let's see how this thing works. Yeah. Oh, nice. All right, so bit interesting. It's hard like a rock, so definitely the wire will never come out of there and seal all the way. But to make more sense to you, and we can see right there, I mean, it's sealed up. They seal everything. So it's like a hard plastic right now. Oop. Yeah. So it burns real good. I'm surprised at how good this thing is. I would think this is good for your car if you want to keep. And again, I use a heat gun. I can use those mini torches. You can use a match, but the right way is to use some type of heat gun. But definitely it's a good thing. So if you guys want to do work in a lot of projects, a home, work in the Raspberry Pi, or anything, computer work, and it's this for good the car, even just in the house. In the house, mostly we use, I guess, bass splices. Now let's put the crimp to the test. And it's going to be set to 8 pounds. That's your 22 gauge is supposed to hold 8 pounds. So we need to do what they call it a force and hold. So we need to get 8 pounds. So we say 8.2, 8.3, and it's supposed to hold for 60 seconds. So we're going to wait 60 seconds. Make sure this pass. Another thing I didn't name it, but this will be good for boat. I mean, if you got any boat, the water, it will seal. It will seal part of the cable and the connector So it's a good thing to use this. So it's been holding good. So in 30 seconds, it will let me know if this passed. And pass. Now to learn more about this product, all the information you need will be right below this video.